Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a PHP script for downloading your TikTok videos directly inside browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is actually the PHP script. We are running this application in the browser on localhost. So you can easily deploy this application with any shared hosting as well. So we are running it using exam control panel. So you basically paste whatever TikTok video you want to download, simply copy the link address and paste it inside this user interface. And then we have this button download. So as soon as you click the download button, it will actually bring this video right here. You will see the video information retrieved successfully. You will see the thumbnail of the video, and then you can download the video without watermark or watermark. Then it will open this video. You will see that this option has this watermark right here. You can simply download this inside your local machine. So wherever you need to save it, it will be successfully saved here. And now you can actually play it inside. You can see that. And we also have this option as well, download without watermark. So this is actually the PHP script. You'll see that now it doesn't have watermark. So this is actually this PHP script here. If you are interested in this, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. After you purchase it, you will get the source code automatically from Google Drive. So these are set of the files here. We are actually calling the backend TikTok API to actually retrieve the links. So it's just a single page application. So these are all the files which are required here. You will see I built this project from scratch. And the main thing about this that it's very easy for you to deploy this. It's very easy because it's just a single page application. You basically paste the link and the video information will be retrieved. And you can actually, let me try a different video here. So you basically paste whatever is the video and you simply paste it. So you can do this unlimited number of times. There is no API key, there is no limit to it. So you basically paste a link and then the uh, video will be fetched from the TikTok, and you click the download button and user will come to the website. You can easily deploy this with a custom domain name as well, so earn a lot of revenue as well. So this is are all the set of files here. This is a main file that you want to run, index.php. So whenever you deploy this, so we are running it using exam control panel locally, but it's very easy. If you have any shared hosting, you upload all these files to cpanel, and then you can easily run this project, and you don't need any advanced hosting. So it's running it as a single page application. You simply paste the link of whatever video you want to download and you paste the link, and that video will be fetched, and you have these two buttons right here. You can simply download them. So this is this PHP script, and as you can see, it's built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript as well. So we have used to build out this user interface. So it's just a single page application, and it doesn't have any sort of other. These are all the files here. This is the main API file which we are calling it. So this zip file will get downloaded after you make the payment from Google Drive automatically, and then you can run this PHP script automatically. As you see, this is the interface. You paste the link and click download. So very simple interface. You can do this unlimited number of times. There is no limit to it. So we are not using any sort of API key. We are just fetching the download links. So once you submit the URL of whatever TikTok video you want to download, and then so basically it fetches the link. So it's also very fast application. There is no delay. You can see it's completely responsive as well. So it will look perfectly in the mobile phone as well. So it's a complete PHP script, and you can easily deploy this as well. So if you're interested in this, if you still face any problem after deployment, I will definitely help you. You can email me, and this is the if you're interested, the link is given in the description.